Hi guys, we are the Tamaya family and today we are at the SM Bacoor. So we're still gonna enter with my daddy. So we will go down to the SM's mall and then there will be exciting surprises for later, right?
Right.
So first we have to go inside. So guys, we have already entered the mall and then we're gonna go upstairs to get the secret surprise. So guys, we're at the elevator right now, as you can see. Now we're still not get near to the secret surprise, but I'm gonna give you a hint. It's at the cinema. Guys, who's that? Someone's been following us. Guys, like, I don't know why there's a woman following us upstairs. Yeah, there's a stranger. I don't know why. I don't know why the stranger is following us. See? There's a stranger. I don't know why. Wait, this is the cinema. Now, since we're gonna get some tickets, guess what we're gonna watch? Guess what we're gonna watch? What do you think, Daddy? Yeah, we're not gonna watch that. Daddy, what are we gonna watch?
Hello, Love Again.
No, that is already gone on the cinema. So I'm gonna reveal the surprise. Oh, wait, look at this. So guys, we are going to watch Sonic 3. Guys, we're gonna pick the seats. So guys, we already picked the seats, and then later I'm gonna reveal where we are gonna sit. Wait, is this shot? Wait, oh no, it's gone. That was the most. Wait, what's this? That's scary. So I already saw Shadow. So guys, we have a free Mufasa calendar. And then, but we're not even gonna watch Mufasa. We're actually gonna watch Sonic. And I don't know why, but I'll update you guys. So guys, we are at the Cyber Zone. So because we're gonna find my smartwatch for my school because my parents needed to call me on the school. Sorry we didn't video some part, but we go to Dunkin' Donuts because I was hungry and I wanted donuts. And now I got popping boba. So right now we're at the SM market. SM store. Hey, show your face. We're at the SM store because we need some new shoes for my school. This is broken. Guys, today we are done watching Sonic 3. We're just waiting for the after credits. It was so good. We already finished watching this Sonic 3. Daddy, can you rate it?
Can I do what?
Can you rate it?
It's a good movie.
Yeah, it's 10 out of 10 for us. And Mommy, can you rate it? Can you rate it?
5 out of 5.
What 5?
10 out of 10.
Guys, I thought it was a 5 out of 5. But, so, remember like I said we're gonna go to the SM store to buy shoes. We actually buy some other things. But now, we are gonna eat at a restaurant. And then, I don't know, but at home, I think me and my mom are gonna make some dalgona. Squid Game. So we're at Amare, we're gonna eat, and then my mom asked the staff for me to make my own pizza. But it's expensive.
First time na.
Good, ma'am. Sa unahan.
Ano na?
Yan na may hair mo, be, sa likod. Yan. Oh, go. Dry maigi, be. Ang tagal mo naman. Ayan, go.
Para hindi tumigil. I-press mo lang po ito. I-press mo lang. Parang pipigil dito. Pagka-press sa gitna, press dito sa gitna. Press ko ba? Pagka-press po, press na po natin siya. And then, i-stretch naman po natin siya. Ganda naman po pag-i-stretch. Bilog po yan. Ito yung pangalalay. Ito yung pag-iigit. Gets ko po. Para na i-stretch siya. Ayan, wala. Proceed naman po tansya pag-toss. Sa pag-toss naman po, sa pwesto po,
Hala.
kanan or kaliwa?
Right or left daw? Right or left? Right?
Yeah,
I think so. Right daw po. Ayan. You can do it. Ding. Itotos niya na. Itotos niya na. Itotos niya na. One more. Oh, your turn. Mahirap.
Then, gusto naman po kayo sa toppings.
Toppings na. Yan ang favorite niya.
Tayo, ma'am. Bali, spread nyo lang po siya. Sagay lang po.
Spread mo maigi eh. Evenly. Even mo. Even mo. Lagyan mo lahat. Lagyan na. Sige na. Go.
Okay ba? Picture po. Wait lang po. Picture po, ma'am. Picture.
Ah, okay. 1, 2, 3. Thank you. Galing ah.
Kami sila picture.
Yeah. You're done. Okay na. Bye-bye. Thank you. Hugas ka ng hands mo.
So here's the food. And this is the pizza that I made. Looks so yummy.